Most people are very comfortable with working hard, and they're scared to death of pushing themselves out of their comfort zone to learn a skill or to learn a a process or a new way of thinking or to read another book. Like we are mentally lazy. We would rather work our bodies to the bone than to enhance our skill set so we can work smart as opposed to working hard. So I got a couple things that I borrowed from Myron Golden and a bunch of other thought leaders that I believe adequately addresses this issue. And I would love to get y'all feedback. Tell me if you agree or disagree. Definitely push back if you think otherwise. All right. So here's the big four, in my opinion. Okay. Number one, peer group. Number two, education. Number three, religion. And number four, the media. And I'm going to tackle each one of them. I want to start with, let's start with the reverse order. All right, the media. You like Marvel comics? Do you like superhero pictures, OC or Cornell? You guys get into those?
Yeah.
No, I don't get it, Earl.
All right. So here's a common thread.